Heal your acne naturally. Avoid the use and side effects of Accutane, birth control, and other antibiotics. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell for notifications so that you never miss a beat. Hi, I'm Dr. Annie Savage. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I know women's health. Today we are talking about hormonal acne for women. Typically, when we see acne, we know that it is either coming from the digestive system or the hormonal system. So that's what we're going to talk about today and how we can naturally heal that for you. Now, with the name hormonal acne, we have to wonder why people are treating hormonal acne with antibiotics when the name tells us that the cause is imbalanced hormones. That's what we need to be doing. We actually need to be balancing the hormones so that we stop seeing the hormonal acne. So if you're having acne around the time that you're ovulating, that acne can be caused due to too large of a surge in our testosterone. So women do have testosterone in our bodies, and we actually get a little surge of that testosterone around ovulation. You might notice that your sex drive increases at this time. You feel a little more vain. You care more about how you look because your body is telling you to go out and find a partner, go out and procreate. If this surge of testosterone is too big, too high for your body, that is when you may see this hormonal type acne pop up around when you're ovulating. Hormonal acne is typically more painful and it can be deeper and cystic type acne. It shows up around your jawline, your cheeks, and your chin primarily. The other places we can see acne is all over the face, the chest, the back, the neck, the backs of the legs, and the bum sometimes as well. The other time, or the most common time we see hormonal acne pop up, is near our period as well. So in the second half of our cycle, in that luteal phase, our estrogen and progesterone are dropping. That is actually what triggers the start of our period. What causes the hormonal acne right around our period is when we have too much estrogen compared to either a normal or a low progesterone. So as these hormones are falling, we have too high of estrogen compared to that progesterone, which leads to the acne happening for us right around our periods. The other type of acne that we can see pop up is related to our digestive system. So we most commonly will see acne and constipation paired together. That is because our body is very, very smart. So if you are not pooping every day, that means that you're constipated. When you are constipated or you have that solid waste sitting in your body will look for ways to get rid of it because it doesn't want it in there. That's the whole point of the solid waste. So if the solid waste isn't leaving the body, our body will say, okay, I need to use something else. And most often our body will push those toxins out through our skin, which is a big organ of elimination, but that results in this acne. So the way that we want to treat hormonal acne or any type of acne is really by healing up the gut first and balancing the hormones. When we are looking to heal the gut and the digestive system, what we want to do is reduce inflammation. So first, we want to remove the foods that are going to lead to the most inflammation within our body. This can be different for a lot of people. However, we do see the most common foods causing inflammation, causing hormonal imbalances, as well as digestive symptoms and acne. These foods are gluten, so your wheat products, dairy, this includes eggs as well, and soy. These are the top 3 things that tend to cause the inflammatory response, which then lead to different symptoms from our different systems. When we are talking about inflammatory foods, we want to remove them for a period of time. Typically, we use a minimum of 3 weeks. This is because our cell turnover is about 3 weeks in our GI system. So we're taking out those foods, we're reducing the inflammation, we're allowing the gut to heal and remake all of its cells because it's doing that no matter what. And then we test those foods back in the diet in moderation. That is how we get to our end goal of healed up, beautiful skin, but also still allowing you to eat all the foods that you want in moderation. That is one of the most common myths of working with a naturopathic doctor, is that we're going to take away all of your good food. Yeah, we definitely take it away for part of it because we need to reduce the inflammation, get the gut healed up, but stick with us because we're bringing that food back so that you can live a normal, happy, moderation type of diet. Tell me in the comments below if you can tell what kind of acne you have. Is it related to your digestion or to your hormones or to both? The other part of the inflammatory response that our body undergoes is that it is not just coming from food, of course. It's also coming in from our environment. The products that we're using on our skin, on our hair, on our face, cleaning products in our home, those can all have a huge effect on our hormonal balance as well as our inflammatory load. So that is the other thing that we want you to look at. I want you to only be using clean products on your body and in your home. Now, this isn't to say that you need to go throw out all your products and start over because that's difficult and expensive. And frankly, no one wants to do that. What we would like you to do is learn which products are best for your skin and have the least amount of toxins in them. You can do that by going to ewg.org/skin-deep. This is a resource that is for free, and you can input any type of product that you're using or that you want to use, and it will give you a score of 1 to 10 of how toxic that product is. This is a way that you can reduce your inflammatory load of your environment and the things that you're putting on your body and in your body. Because this is scary, most women are putting on 5 pounds of toxins on their body per year. That is from your hair care products, your skin care products, your body care products that we are all marketed towards using. So let's clean up our environment to help balance out our hormones. All right, back to the digestive system, as well as our elimination and detoxification pathways. We really want to hyper-focus and clean this area up so that we are pooping every day, so that we're feeling very healthy and our skin is looking fantastic. One thing that you can do automatically that's very easy, cheap, and well, it's free, is to drink more water. Most people do not drink enough water. Women typically should be drinking around 1 to 2 liters of water every day, and it would go up from there if you're living in a hotter climate, you're sweating a lot, you're exercising a lot, and you're using saunas. We need water to flush our system. It will also help you with moving your bowels a little bit easier. If you're finding that you have hard, dry stool, it could be something as simple as not enough water in your diet. Having enough water will also hydrate your brain so you feel more energized and can think very clearly. When you are trying to make sure that you have a normal natural bowel movement every single day, you want to be focused on fiber. So bulk up your stool with natural fibers. Vegetables are going to give you a ton of fiber. You can also add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to your meal at some point in your day. That will help bulk up the stool so it's easier to pass. And then lastly, eat prunes, dates, or figs. These are perfect for helping you bulk up and expel that natural waste product from your body. If you're looking for a step-by-step plan on how that you can heal up your gut and resolve your acne, join our 21-day cleanse program. It's linked below. This is where we give you step-by-step instruction, recipes, exactly what to do to reduce that inflammation, heal your gut, heal your acne, and balance your hormones. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell for notifications so that you get notified every time we have a new video out. We'll see you next time.